Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you a game that gives you gems, and one of the games gives you like gems, a lot of gems because it's really long, and not only a lot of gems, but they give you a prize. So the first one is called Wind Rider. So let's play single game player. It's really simple. You just have to collect these right here. But then if you have a lot of lags or tabs, you're obviously gonna have lag. I don't have a tab open right now. I don't even have a tab. Wish. If you get hit by one, nothing will happen. But then if you get hit by another one, you'll die. This is not really long because it's really fast. Wait. I'm really scared. I don't want to get hit. I just got hit and lost a lot of gems. Not a lot, but gems. This one does not give you the prize. The one that gives you a prize is, what's it called? Oh look, I think it killed me. Sky High. Well, that was really simple. Now we're gonna want to Nimbus. Okay. You could do Sky High, but it's really, hard. It's really hard. Wait. I died because I didn't have. Okay, so come on, let's do this. Hopefully there's no lag for me, because one time I got really high and I died. This might take a lot of attempts because it's really hard. I don't think this game is on Animal Jam Play Wild. I just don't know because I'm new to it. So yeah. You don't get like a really rare thingy, like for example Spike, but you do get like a prize, and I think it's worth it for all of that hard work for a prize. Yeah. I went on the cloud though. I always die at 39, but I'll come back when I win it. I'll show you guys the prize I got. I got a new high score! So I was like right here. I really want to get there. So let's try again. Yeah. Okay guys, I just died and now I really want to rage. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at how much I did. And I was almost there. Let's try again.
It must be this.
Okay, yeah. I want a freaking freedom hat. All my freaking hard work for a freaking freedom hat. Well, that game gives you gems and stupid things. Told you, but told you. That's so stupid. That looks like a boob. So when I get membership, it actually does not look like a glove. It looks like a shoe. On other animals, it looks different. Okay, wait a second. Look, guys, I made a rhino work. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Ooh, my gosh! This does not look like a happy rhino, but this dance does. Bye guys.